And incidentally, when I'm talking about sanding walls, this is a smooth wall finish on the wall. If this was a light spray texture or something, you could take a sponge and actually wipe it down without sanding it. Did you know that? You could do that and then you wouldn't have to do any sanding at all. But because it's a smooth wall and I'm going to put 2 coats of paint over, actually they're going to put 1 coat of primer over all the white area and then 2 coats of finish throughout this, okay? I want it to be nice and smooth, so I don't want to just wipe it down with a sponge because I think it's going to get better if I sand it all the way. And I'm going to just lightly sand it, and I've got my paddle sander here. I got it from Home Depot, okay? And I bought some sanding pads. And the thing on this, there's 25 in here. I didn't need 25, but to buy like 3, you could buy 2 packs of 3 or 2 packs of 5 for the same price or more than 25. So I've got plenty of sanding pads for later on, and I take that, loosen this up, and then it folds over like that, okay? And I'm just gonna use that, all right? Let's do it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Good job, Marky.